In this guide, we're going to be going over whether Fall Guys supports split screen and how you could still play with friends here in the same setup. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, I do want to say Fall Guys does not officially support split screen here on PC, Xbox, PlayStation, or Nintendo Switch, which essentially means you cannot play two players on the same screen using one console or PC. However, and there's a big however on this, on PC there are unofficial workarounds using third-party software. However, they are pretty complicated and require multiple game copies and aren't recommended for most players, and it all has to do with Steam game sharing, so just keep that in mind. On Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch, each player will need their own console, their own account, and their own copy of the game, and you'll need to play together through online multiplayer instead. The good news is, Fall Guys does have pretty solid online party support, so you can invite friends through the in-game party system and compete together no matter what platform they do play on. If you are on PlayStation, you can also use SharePlay, which does let a friend join your session remotely. It's not really true split screen, but it is the closest alternative. And while split screen isn't available, you will still have plenty of ways to play Fall Guys with friends. That being said, if you did find this guide informative, helpful, whatever it might be, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more guides just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.